Cloud computing has offered a nirvana for us in that this concept of just having resources on demand when you need them, fire up a PC here, fire up a server here, pay for it as you use it. It's one of the it's a fantastic thing in the sense that it enables us to have computing power on demand when we want it. One of the issues with cloud computing, though, is that there's lots of different cloud standards out there, and if you have if you want to use cloud computing, how do you use it with your existing systems? Very few people are willing at the moment, and probably well into the future, to put their data out into the cloud because they're worried about security, and rightly so, which I suspect those issues will be addressed over time. But what we're going to have, I suspect, is we're going to have scenarios where less sensitive applications will be moved into the cloud. So where it doesn't make sense to host an application on a mainframe and you can host it in the cloud, you'll host it there if you don't have any security concerns. But then you're left again with the scenario of how do you ensure that, how do you get access to your data? How do you get access to your existing applications? If you duplicate your existing applications, you'll get different results. If you duplicate your data, it will get out of kilter. It'll get out of sync. By using a services-oriented architecture, it means that you can run a hybrid of a cloud plus your own internal systems, and they can talk, because using a standards-based SOA, they can talk to each other, they can interoperate together, so your internal services your internal applications inside your firewall can run with a service that can also be accessible to your cloud-based applications. So it's enabling you to move the applications that can run in the cloud because it's more cost-effective in the cloud, using the same infrastructure that you're using internally because you're using the same services that you're using for everything else.